Hello, and welcome to the Think Moisturiser, Think Ajanta podcast series coming to you live from Dermacon 2026, Bangalore. We are on day 3. This series is going to get some of the distinguished dermatologists across the country to decode the common skin care problems simply, scientifically, and without any hype. Today, we are going to focus on a very important topic, which is skin dryness and moisturization, because it affects every one of us at some point in time. Hi, I'm delighted to welcome Dr. Surajit Gorai, a consultant dermatologist from Kolkata. Welcome, doctor, to the session. Today, we are going to ask him some really important shifts in the trends that are happening in skin dryness and moisturization all over this country. Internet has been instrumental in creating awareness, giving a lot of information in this domain, but also there's a lot of information overload, which might also be misleading a lot of us and landing us in more severe skin problems. So, doctor, today my questions are going to be related to skin dryness and moisturization and how it is shifting from being basic hydration to skin that is very damaged. And to begin with that, my first question to you is that nowadays we are hearing concepts something like emollient plus and also advanced barrier repair systems. So, how are our today's moisturizers different from what we used to be using like maybe 10 years back? So, can you throw some light on that?
Skin is a dynamic organ. It is not like a fixed thing. So, from inside, something is going out, and skin is protecting us from something letting in.
Correct.
That's why skin moisturization is important.
Correct.
If it is dry, the skin barrier will be gone. Long back, maybe 20 years back, we only used to think about covering the skin with some sort of occlusives. But those occlusions prevent transepidermal water loss, or the water that is getting out from the skin is getting restricted, and that's how we used to get moisturizer in the skin or moisture in the skin. But now the concept has totally changed. Now there are therapeutic ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acids, or the lipid content that is there in the skin, and those are the products, ingredients are included in a moisturizer. Those are called as therapeutic moisturizers. So that has added benefit to repair the skin, like in atopic dermatitis, eczema, or even acne. Also, there are moisturizers, those are having prebiotics and probiotics. So those helps to restore the skin flora. That's how it can prevent formation of acne, skin damage, and many other dermatological conditions. So skin hydration can be maintained with therapeutic moisturizers nowadays. Those are advanced concept of moisturization.
So the picking from the last point that you said that there are moisturizers which are protecting the flora of the skin. So are you saying something about these microbiome based moisturizers?
Yes.
Do you think that is going to be the future of moisturizers?
Hopefully so. Like if we can identify the skin microbiota of a patient or of an individual, then probably we can restore the microbiota in an inflamed condition and can give relief to many conditions. And that's how our whole treatment is heading toward personalized medicine.
Correct.
So when we can identify exact microbiota, exact skin bacteria or fungus, then we can definitely give better care.
I think we would all love to live in that future, to see how the skin medicine becomes more and more personalized. And with the technology coming in picture, I think that future is very near for all of us to live. My next question to you would be that there are so many internet trends that we are seeing, because though we would have loved that this skin business would have been opinionated only by the doctors, but unfortunately there are a lot of influencers and beauty enthusiasts who typically give their review on so many products that they get. And of course, I'm not saying that these products or they are not good. I'm not saying that the products are not good, but maybe that is suiting their particular skin, and they are giving a review based on that. How safe is it for viewers who watch these? Okay. How safe is this for the viewers who see these trends from the influencers to follow them? Because coming from my first question, where we are saying that the whole moisturization therapy is shifting from plain hydration to skin barrier repair damage. Does that also mean that there's a lot of damage happening on the skin also?
True. Coming to your first question, like social media trend, I respect them who are trying to create awareness, because they are also trying to give some value to others' life.
Absolutely.
10 years back, it was not possible.
Correct.
So what they're doing is definitely respectful. But having said that, just think about few questions. First one is, the similar kind of skincare, can it fit to everyone? Probably no.
Correct.
Like everyone is using the same product.
Correct.
So, like the same dress doesn't fit to everyone, same skincare regime doesn't fit to everyone. It should be individualized or personalized. So, influencer can't give you the exact skin regime that you need.
Correct.
Second, like medical science is very very complicated. If you think about science, then medical science probably one of the complicated science ever. But that is been diluted by social media and by few of the influencers who are not knowledgeable, or who are just taking the gimmicks and vomiting it out in the social media. That should not happen. So the doctors or who are exactly knowledgeable on that specific arena should come out in the social media and vouch for the good products, good skincare, or actual skin ingredients that should be used by patients. So it's a positive thing that social media is there. There are a few limitations definitely, like all other instruments, all other machines in the world.
Because I feel, doctor, what you rightly said is the intention is always good. Like anyone who is trying to create awareness, of course, the intention is good. But what happens is because of lack of scientific evidence, because advice is getting spread faster than the scientific evidence that should follow or back that advice, I feel. And if that is also considered, I think world will be a better place to live, and
Absolutely.
things will be fine. Okay, great. My next question to you is that where we started from, that the skin lipid barrier, the skin barrier repair, and let's say there is an age-old thing, then when like our parents used to say, don't use too many cosmetics on your face. It is only going to ruin your skin and all that. And plus, there's also thought a belief that if you're using certain cosmetic products right now, and if you stop them, suddenly your skin will become worse than what you started. Right? It's an age-old belief, primarily. Is that true? One. And second is, if somebody decides that I will never use any product on my skin, will that person continue to have a healthy skin? Is there a concept like that?
So both the extreme is not good. Like one extreme is using too much of product is not also good. Using no product is also not good, because you are not living in an era where we used to live in a sometimes
weather.
Ideal weather, ideal home, ideal food. So we are already struggling with a lot of pollutions, lot of stress in our day-to-day work life.
Correct.
So skincare definitely important, and makeup is important. Without makeup, sometimes it is very difficult for a lady to go out in the workplace.
Correct.
Makeup 20 years back and makeup today has hell of a difference.
Correct.
Now the makeup products are also improved scientifically. So if makeup used in a proper manner, in a scientific manner, for a duration that is necessary, definitely I think there is no harm. You should keep it in mind that whenever you're coming home, remove the makeup as early as possible. Don't wear makeup at night for the whole, or you just going into sleep with the makeup. Second is for your total week, if we consider, then give 1 or 2 days makeup holiday, or holiday from any other skincare products. So those we can call as maybe
Detox.
maybe you can say detox, maybe a skincare holiday, or you are just allowing the skin to repair itself. So that is important. And proper skincare, if it is taken, then skin will definitely be healthy for a longer time.
Amazing. I think viewers, this is a pro tip that you've just recently got. Just allow your skin to breathe for some time and then go back to what you're doing. Okay. My last question to you, doctor, because I want to know a male perspective on this particular question. Earlier, beauty was more associated with women, and nowadays men have also started adopting and using a lot of products. To be very honest, and we also see that in market there are a lot of products which are now gender specific. Like there are moisturisers specifically for men, the moisturisers specifically for women. What is your opinion on that? Do we really need moisturizers and other things?
Got it.
Category. I mean, do we need a gender biased products? Is what I want to know. Is it science based or is it
Like-
just a gimmick?
Got it? Like male were not makeup savvy or skincare savvy is not true. If you take Roman Empire, you will see a lot of healthy males who are looking smart, great. If you say Hindu mythology, you will get a lot of strong men out there who are really careful about their skin, their looks. So no doubt men were into it. But regarding skincare or health or overall looks, what I feel is 80 to 90% is your optimal health, your physical standard, your mental health. Those are basic. On top of that, definitely skincare comes. So in perspective of male, definitely we are not very compliant population who use skincare every day routinely like a female counterpart. But having said that, using skincare in a simple, basic manner will help you to look young, having less of aging features on your skin, and to be a bright, youthful appearance to be maintained for longer time. Now, skincare for male and female should be different in few aspects because both the skin are different. Male skin, though thought previously are very strong without any delicacy, it is not true. Male skin are also sometimes might be sensitive because male had to or sometimes have to work outdoor for longer time in many professions. So for that particular thing, male skin should have moisturizer, should have sunscreen, and should have protective serums or repair serums at night many a times.
Okay. I think that's an amazing. I think you've just put it so well. I think this discussion has really helped our viewers to understand, get clarity on what is right, what is wrong, and your last message for our viewers. If you want to give them one pro tip as to what they should do in order to have a healthy skin, because I think that will just summarize our whole discussion.
To have a healthy skin, eat well, sleep well, exercise daily, use skincare products regularly, give skin holiday once a week. That will be optimum for your skincare.
Lovely. I think you've just summarized it so well. Thank you so much, Doctor, for joining this discussion. It was
Most
really interesting to know so many things. We are live to you from Dermacon 2026 Bangalore. It's day 3. Stay tuned for more such interesting topics and discussions. Thank you for watching. Thank you.
Thank you.